Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of our customers' orders that was delivered to our house. When you deliver your items to your rep, which is me, I asked permission, can I go ahead and film it? And Glenn said, of course you can, so everybody can see what she bought. And then I will call her, let her know her box is here. I will literally put it still in the same box. I'll just take off the tape, put my thank you stickers on, and it's ready to go. But I had to show you what she purchased. So I already took the tape off. Open this beautiful box up. I'm so excited. Thank you again so much for letting me do this. The first thing she got was, this was on the goodbye section, and this was the Joy, Love, Peace pajama set, and this is the medium size. And I'm not going to open it because I want her to open it, so I hope she'll show us pictures of it when she gets home. She also ordered some Kachina. Oh, I love Kachina. Which one did she get? Oh, she got the dish soap in garden basil. So this is a refill item for her, and I'm glad she purchased that. Another thing I see that she got was this Avon Trial Kit here. And it does have awesome goodies. I will be doing an unboxing of this really soon. I'm so glad she took advantage of the sale for this, because I know she's going to Hawaii really soon, and I hope she enjoys this kit. Also, she purchased a couple of these tubes. Now, these are my favorite. These are the Skin So Soft, Fresh and Smooth for sensitive skin. These are the facial hair remover creams. I do have a video on my Instagram of me with my facial hair cream removing my mama stash. She got herself 2 of those. Another thing she purchased was, and this is my favorite, the Fresh Fuji Hygienic Power. This is the fabric softener, and this is in the rose water and jasmine. This stuff is so good, and it smells so good. There are the instructions on the back. All right, next thing she purchased was Fuji Fresh Hygienic Power. Let's see, what are these? Are these the bars? I think so. Yay, they're the bars. So she got the laundry bars because she saw my post of how I make my own laundry soap, and she's like, oh my gosh, I have to try that. Let me know what you use. And I told her I use the Hygienic Power laundry soaps. So she got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those soaps. So she's going to give that a try. I will put the recipe for that and how I make that on our channel as well. So if you would like to see that, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. Or follow. Okay. So down here, I noticed she bought the Skin So Soft lotion set, which I will actually put in the description. So it came with 2 originals, 2 of the Soft Essentials, 2 of the Radiant Moistures, and 1 of the Comforting Shea. So then she got the Shea hand cream. And this was a wonderful deal. I believe it was like, oh no, there's 2 of them. Yeah, there's 2 of them. I believe this was the $7.99 sale where you get the hand lotions. But she made sure to take advantage of that. I think these are 2. I think this is a set of 2, I believe. Let me check. Let me check. And this is the invoice, of course, that she will get here. I think that was 2. Let me check. Yep, she got 2 of them. All right. Yep, she got 2 of them. But thank you so very much for letting me unbox your box. So she got 2 of the Skin So Soft bundles. She got 2 of the Fuji Fresh Hygiene laundry bars. She got the Avon Trial Kit. She purchased the Skin So Soft facial cream. Hair removal cream, excuse me. The Fuji Fresh Hygienic Power fabric softener. The Kachina Garden Basil dish soap. And she got herself some pajamas out the clearance section. So thank you so much for letting me unbox with you. We hope to see you next time. And if you would like me to unbox your box, don't forget to let me know when you place your order, and I would love to show everybody what you got. All right, thanks for shopping with me. Everything can be found in our e-store. Hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for shopping Uneek Avon.